Hey guys, it's Lev here with Trotec Laser. Today we're going to be making our personal protective equipment COVID-19 kits. So let's start with our headgear. We first place 6mm Troglass cast acrylic into our Speedy 400 laser. These mask files are small enough even to fit into a ray jet. We've made holes in the back of the mask file in case users need to tie them together. You can laser cut foam for more comfort or adjust the file size to fit different head sizes. We then place our 1/64 of an inch Trotec synthetic clear paper into the laser and proceed to cut the face shields. You can use any kind of clear PET grade plastics for this. We've kiss cut our logo and link to the COVID-19 kit, but users can place names, serial numbers, and so on. Kiss cut means we've used minimal power to just mark the plastic. We never cut through it. We then assemble the two pieces together. Now let's move on to our hands-free door openers.
We laser cut the hands-free acrylic door openers in the same file as the acrylic face masks. These acrylic pieces are very quick and easy to make. They are great for pulling and pushing objects, as well as opening most doors without touching them with your hands.
Now let's move on to our protective display shields.
We've placed a sheet of 5mm Troglass cast acrylic into the Speedy 400 laser and engraved and cut out our design. We can engrave any kind of message or logo on them, cut out any type of holes in any sizes for transferring objects like point-of-purchase machines.
We got the designs from thingiverse.com. They are proprietary free. We modified them. Feel free to modify them yourself. You can actually download the entire kit from bit.ly/COVID-19 kit. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you stay safe. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next week.